video review on my EOS Rebel T6 camera that I just got, 1300D. So basically I ordered it off Amazon. I'm going to be putting the link below of the camera and then all the extra stuff it came with. It came around like $450. This is the first thing that comes in here. This is basically a SD card that comes in here, 32 gigabytes. Then this is for the camera, like for the shot. I don't know what you call it, but I know what I call it. And these are the digital filters that we have. We have a UV filter, a CPL filter, and an FLD filter. So it comes in a cute little pouch. But it's so cute. All professional. So filter number 1, you guys can see. Let's see if I put it over my camera. Hey! Filter number 2. Yeah, girl. This is a SD card reader. Basically, you plug it up to your computer and it reads SD card, like everything that's on everything that you record. We have a remote control for the Canon. Comes with instructions. And we have a rechargeable battery. And of course, the box comes with an instruction kit for the camera. Alright, it comes with a turbo travel charger. So whenever you're on the go, anything that you're doing, the camera will die. It's really cool. Alright, we have our first high definition photo lens. Oh, that is so cool. Like, it comes in like a little pouch that like the jewelry and stuff you come in. Look at that. That's really nice. Boom, boom. Check that bad boy out. Yes, beautiful. Quality, okay, great quality. And of course, like, each of the little boxes come with instructions and stuff, so you don't gotta feel lost or confused because I'm gonna be doing a lot of reading before I actually start using my camera, so I don't feel dumb or lost or anything like that. And we have our high definition wide angle lens. And of course, it also comes with instructions inside and in the little pouch. But I'm still gonna take it out. I'm still gonna take it out for you guys to see. That's really nice. Oh snap, that looks really nice. I don't know if y'all can see, like. Alright, now we have our tripod. Yeah, it is. Boom, this is a maximum height 50-inch tripod. Oh, that's nice. It comes with a little pouch, of course. What is this? Boom. And no, it's like, hold on. Right, so this is really nice. Like, it comes with a backpack basically. XIT Zip Photo Deluxe Digital Camera / Video Padded Backpack. This is perfect. Like, on the go, you know, I need to do a shoot for me. Hold on, let me grab all my stuff, you know. Yeah. You put all your camera supplies and your camera in the bag, and you'll be ready to record when you're on the go. And it feels like it's waterproof. Like, I don't know. You know that, I know what I'm talking about, that feeling. Oh, look, this is so nice. And it comes with like the little organizer. So you put stuff like here, and there type stuff. It's really nice. And now, for the ones you have all been waiting for, the camera. Like, I literally, like, I got this yesterday and I wanted to wait till the lighting was great and everything so I could touch it. I opened it, but like not really. Like, I was like, I really need to be patient and just wait. So I could do the video, so I'm ready for you guys. Of course, it's the instructions to register your camera so that you can have access to everything. The official little lanyard, yes. The wall charger. Ooh. Of course, the battery. Like this. And that's how you charge your battery. Here's our close up. I can see the beauty details. That's where the camera battery would go. This is where the flash thing would go. Cable so you can connect it to your computer. And we have our lens, you guys. This is it. The moment you've been waiting for. So you unscrew this part. Boom. And you would screw the lens on there. Like so. There you go. You could twist it up, down, however you want the zoom to be. You can have a stabilizer on or off, things like that. So I don't want any zoom right now. And then this is the lens. Just take off the camera. Alright, this is the slot that you put the battery in. I'm not sure if it's charged, so let's see. You guys, it's on. And I have to do the settings so I can see.